giving back to the industry and to our nation. This is a driving ethic behind the success of Sanken Construction. Something that is truly believed in and has been put into practice with care and consideration. This is the birth of Skills Training and Management Private Limited as Sanken's corporate social responsibility venture in the year 2005. Our vision: to be the leading vocational training institution in Sri Lanka, acceptable to international industry requirements. Our mission: to provide the best vocational training to people in the construction industry on the basis of improving capabilities, capacities and performance by systemic development of knowledge and skills necessary to the product to satisfactorily perform both in Sri Lanka and overseas. In our first decade of operation, STAM, as we are better known, has reached out to Sri Lankans in every province. As the country takes on an aggressive development drive after 3 decades of debilitating war, we fulfill the dual role of providing training and ensuring employment to young people from every province that complete our courses and become skilled and trained construction industry professionals. Our concept and objective are as unique as they are simple. Sri Lanka needs trained individuals in the field of construction to see her through the future where her infrastructure will be on par with any major power of the world. We provide this training in a range of fields and skill levels, accredited by the Tertiary and Vocational Education Commission. From construction supervisor to draft personnel to mason and bar bender. We are the only private institution to receive NVQ Level 4 accreditation for the construction supervisor course and draft person course in construction industry. Our masonry courses are accredited at NVQ Level 3 and 4, and our bar bender course offers a Level 3 accreditation for the skills it offers. Every participant eligible from the time they complete their ordinary level examination and based on criteria such as family income and background is provided with an all-round training at minimal cost. Funding for the company comes from the parent company, Sanken Construction, and does not add any further cost to the services provided by our parent company.
Mama Patum Chaturanga. මම සෙවණගල ප්‍රදේශයේ බණ්ඩාරනායක විද්‍යාලයේ උසස් පෙළ දක්වා අධ්‍යාපනය හදාarලා මගේ සිහිනයක් තිබුණා ඉංජිනේරුවරයෙකු වීමට මම ඒ සිහිනය සැබෑ කර ගැනීමට අවස්ථාවක් සොයමින් සිටින අතරතුර මම ස්කිල් ආයතනය සමග සම්බන්ධ වෙලා ඉදිකිරීම් සුපරීක්ෂක පාඨමාලාව හැදෑරුවා. ඒ ඉදිකිරීම් සුපරීක්ෂක පාඨමාලාවට පැමිණිලා මේ වන විට මාස 4ක පමණ කාලයක් ගත වෙනවා. අපට හොඳ අධ්‍යාපනයක් මේ ස්කිල් ආයතනය තුලින් ලබා දෙනවා. ඒ වගේම මගේ අරමුණට ගමන් කිරීමට හොඳ පිටුවහලක් ඉංජිනේරුවරයෙකු වීමේ මාර්ගය වෙත ගමන් කිරීමට මේ ආයතනය හොඳ පිටුවහලක් වෙනවා.
ඒකින්ද මේ කම්බි
4 chartered and 2 senior engineers who are project managers and engineers at Sanken Construction with over 10 years of experience conduct the theoretical courses at STAM. The trainees with their knowledge then go on to practical training under the guidance of Sanken Lanka project managers and site managers who monitor and guide them to become full-fledged technicians and supervisors. Tying up with the government's North and East Reawakening programs and the Gamidiriya Rural Upliftment Program, STAM also funds many students, especially from families in the war-ravaged North and East, with scholarships, free board and lodging for the duration of their courses. With the World Bank and the Ministry of Economic Development stepping in to support the program, 250 students from these areas have already been provided with free courses leading to employment in the construction industry. And the target is to train 1,000 students. Today, it gives us great pleasure to mention that 150 of these students are posted to the Sanken Overseas Project. In addition, we work with the National Youth Corps, Divisional Secretariat offices and other private organizations island-wide to recruit deserving students who show an interest in the dynamic field of construction. Many of these students come from underprivileged families, and the opportunity provided to them ensures that they attain a recognized skill and qualification, which provides them with opportunities to earn a steady income. Our students contribute positively to their families and communities through achieving their aspirations and going on to guaranteed employment. Their achievements have helped uplift many underprivileged families and communities around the country, from Jaffna to Monoragala, Norelia to Akkarepattu. STAM has had the privilege of being directly involved in the development of many communities, which lends extra credibility to our objectives. Many of our students have stayed on to be employed at Sunken Construction, and STAM also refers students to other construction companies. Some of them even go on to be trained overseas through Sunken's overseas projects. In addition to training skilled construction technicians, STAM also looks into their welfare and overall development. Free accommodation is provided to up to 100 students at a time. Food is provided at concession rates. The students are given both theoretical knowledge and practical training at a campus spread over 1.5 hectares, which even has a fully equipped auditorium for training and events.
Irrational behavior. Where is it?
Of the ill-fated unicorn. The ship set sail from Barbados in 1676 on one of the most...
என் பேர் நற்குணம் மோகன்ராஜ். நம்ம முல்லைத்தீவு மாவட்டம் ஒட்டிசுடான் என்ற இடத்திலிருந்து துரித மீளெழுச்சி திட்ட அமைப்பின் கீழ் கொழும்பில் ஸ்டாமின் சங்கிலங்காவில் சுமாராக 6 மாதம் அளவு வேலை பயின்று தற்பொழுது சங்கிலங்கா எனக்கு நிரந்தரமான ஒரு வேலை வாய்ப்பை தந்து இங்கு நான் 2.5 வருட காலமாக வேலை செய்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றேன். அதுபோன்று நீங்கள் அனைவரும் இங்கே இப்படி ஒரு பயிற்சி நிறையை பெற்று நிரந்தரமான ஒரு வேலை வாய்ப்பை உங்களுக்கு சொந்தமாக அமைத்துக் கொள்ளுமாறு உங்கள் அனைவரையும் கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன்.
In our aim to create the complete construction professional, we provide leadership training and personnel relation and communication skills building, while team building activities from birthday celebrations to outbound training and motivation also takes place. Students from the north and east are given singular language lessons. We promote an environment of social inclusion, understanding and teamwork, which builds characters and sets our students apart from the rest. STAM's speciality is that we generate our own income to cover running costs while providing our students with overall industrial exposure. Our highly trained and qualified professionals who stay on with us are loaned to Sunken Construction and any other organizations on request to advise on their projects, thereby ensuring a source for fully qualified personnel and establishing high standards for the entire industry. In addition, our fully qualified staff conducts lectures and workshops to external parties on request. We even conduct projects with the Sri Lanka Army and the armed forces in general, where our non-commissioned officers are given training in various aspects of construction, even at construction supervisor level and skilled level. 28 batches of construction supervisors and 5 batches of quantity surveyors have graduated from our institute thus far. The mark of quality and professionalism that STAM creates is now seen in the work of 400 construction supervisors and 60 quantity supervisors, contributing positively to the construction industry of Sri Lanka. Combining our expertise in the application of new technologies, time management systems, quality management systems, and overall practical knowledge gained by working on site, the STAM professional is a complete construction professional, providing a benchmark for human resources in the construction industry. Giving back part of Sunken's success to the industry has given us immense pride and carved out a niche for us in the movement to make Sri Lanka the wonder of Asia.